Hi friends, welcome to Topic Factory English. In today's video, our topic is how to remove a watermark from any video or image. So let's start friends. Here we are on our mobile screen. First of all, you may have to open Play Store and search here for video watermark remover. Now we will select the third app which I have highlighted. Click on install to install it. It is only 22 MB size. So guys, until the installation and downloading is completed, kindly subscribe to my channel. It is right down the subscribe button, please. Now just click on the option open to directly go into the app. Now let's start. First of all, it will ask for permission. Press allow and then click on this option remove watermark from a video, which I have highlighted to remove the watermark from a video. After all, this is the topic. We will talk about other functions later. And also click on allow again to file access. Now here is all the videos which are saved in your mobile. Select the one which you want. For example, I select one of a TikTok video. For example guys, I have chosen this video. It is a TikTok video and you can see there is, and at the upper and the lower part of the video is written with the text. If you want to remove it, place the box on the place for the surface which will may want to remove. For example, I am putting it on the upper text. And to make another box, click anywhere and another box will appears on the screen, and as you can see, and put it on this place also. When you're done with the arranging, simply click on the done option and it will directly start, as you can see. And after exporting, you can see there is no watermark. But if you are thinking that what if we will try to watermark in any video, for example, now I again choose this video and try something removing in the video. After exporting, there also will be some other options available, like image removing and adding etc. Now let's go to the main work which we are going to do. And now guys, I have reselected the video. For you can see that there is an icon TikTok, the watermark of a TikTok. If we may want to remove it, we will simply put the box in the video. As you can see, I am putting it, and now we will click on done to remove it and see the result. So guys, you can see what happened to the video if we may do this. It is not very, it is not bad, because usually we may wanted to remove, we paste something, some picture or some other watermark of our own on it, but it will may remove the watermark with the best quality. You can see the quality. Okay, so kindly subscribe if you like it, and also press the bell icon. I will be very thankful to you for it.